Welcome back to Color and Book TV. And friends, you see Puppy Dan Face, you know, says a new movie me represent for. And people, I just want to know, watch the movie at the end. Like, share, comment, and subscribe. Before you go into the movie, people, you don't know, so me represent for Empress G and PFS Films Making Difference. So people, I want to go over Empress G YouTube channel and make sure you subscribe, like up the video them, tell a friend about Empress G TV. Remember, you know, Empress G and PFS Films Making Difference. Watch the movie to the end. I'm out.
Stacey, you know, so I don't have no money, you know. I mean, now work from a few weeks ago, I stopped work. You see, the lady where I used to work for? She said if you take a break, cause nothing now go on. So you know, say somebody else had me have to go. She said me get some dirty clothes to wash and clean up that place so you can get some money. Because right now, I go for your evening class around when you know, so yes, when time I don't go my area now and send you to school.
Mommy, if I don't pay for evening class, so then I can't go for the rest of the week, you know?
Listen to me. You see Mr. Johnson? When you go to evening class,
Yeah.
I never say if you go to Miss Clark, you say go to Mr. Johnson and tell Mr. Johnson say, your mother say, she fi get some money, and as soon as she get the money, she go carry go give him personally, or they go give you whatever week or days you offer for evening class. Me will pay a fee. Me just want you to do the little evening class subject there. You understand? Because nothing not go on. And me no want you to come sit down and idle.
Mommy, I that I said last time. And pick them at school and laugh for me, you know?
Look here, no pick me thing, and you act like I say, you're still about high school or kindergarten or primary. Listen to me, you're 18 plus, you know, you're 18-year-old. 2 months from now, you're 19. I just told me now want you to go sit down and idle like some people, and I want you just go do your subject them, cause look here, Stacey, look where me go. No, turn on, cause I want to do that side here. Yeah, what's up, sorry. Stacey, look at me. I struggle, you know, to make you go through high school.
I know, Mommy.
But I want you to further your education so you can pass and go to college, because I don't want you to sit down like some little idlers on the road. I know you're a bright girl already. You know the sufferation I go through, because I tell you, you see it sometime with your eyes because you're 18. Look here, you're not 2, you know? You're not 3. And even though me I put all my effort right now, I try my best. You know have to go take up in a hand because you're a big woman now, you know, you're adult, you have to go look at job or you find a man. We will still help you.
Listen, Mommy, I rather find a job than figure have a man right now, because me no want no man where me not have feelings for. Me have to find somebody where me really and truly love. So I rather go work hard for me want for right now, because none of them man then just want go through it and go about their business. I don't want that. You understand? I'm not mash up my career. So me go look one job.
My daughter, look at me. Me not go over where you say you know you have a point. But you see them I work nowadays. You see after them work you out and sleep, not even work, and I say it so good. Work too nice. You see when they don't work you out and slave you out like say slavery no abolish long time. Then it's a stress you out, so the 9 to 5 thing now work. The wages now say nothing. Look how much item in a supermarket. Sometimes you go to cashier, you shame you have to put back some item then. If you don't mind shop, you don't eat a proper meal. You understand? So me understand what you are saying, but me don't know if you understand me, you know. So you better you go there with one man more than go look and then slave work and slave out yourself and sweat and don't get a proper wages.
No,
come remember say bills have to pay, you have to go start.
It not go work. Me rather go look you work.
So hold on there.
Me no want no man. Them man don't want nobody nowadays.
You understand?
Me no
That's
want
some of them, but you can't judge every man as the same thing. Good man out there will help you. No man, you have to look into what me and say. Just look into what me and say.
Mommy, change it up. No.
Change the topic.
Yes, change the topic.
So what you say? When me say no make no sense?
No, so
You rather go on the people them slavery work and make them stress you out. And when a weekend time or fortnight, you don't get no pay. Remember me have bills to pay, you know. And me same one, remember good me want to pay, you know.
me know that. Alright, guess what?
Me have bills to pay, me have to buy food, me have to still send you go to evening class.
Turn up.
Ah, Jesus. How?
Yeah. Put on your phone.
How you go pray? But it better we pray because this is stressing and everything expensive right now. Me can't manage me
Listen
alone.
to me, mama. Me know say I work hard. Me know say I will heap of dirty clothes I wash just to send me to school. Me know say I enough up and down I do and so forth. Me know say you're proud of me. And me proud of you as a mother. And me have your back as a daughter. You understand? I love your mommy. And thanks for everything you have done for me. But mommy, me work harder than when me work in a high school for go college just to make you proud and make you be the best mother in the world. You understand?
I remember that. You know, so I love you already, you know, and I best me want to see out of you. You know, me have seen for you. Come back and just go and sit down. This is serious. You have to sit down for me. The one about your dirty cooker. Sit down.
My father?
Yes, girl. You know, say the other day me are going to the town and somebody see me and they tell me say, they see your father. So me say when call a long time, me not hear Brisbane about him, me think he dead. Because I don't pay no mind, me know say he living, but me have to call this say them dead when they not mind them picking and see them if they are prison foreigners, me not know
What
them
do you
dead.
have to say about him?
Me ask him when he see me saying they on some construction site, him a big contractor.
Which part?
Must in the grill.
The grill?
Yes.
Alright, mommy, me here don't know. Jesus Christ. If me follow you, me not go fast for them. Me do it.
Alright,
Yes,
later.
sometime
You did eat something already, not true?
Yeah.
Alright then. Later.
Oh, one more thing, mommy. I love you now. And me gonna make you proud. Here, later.
Me love you to my baby. Take care.
Yeah.
Pray on your way. Remember to pray, don't forget God.
I understand this is not come like chewing kind of blackout on the site. Come not understand, this is not right.
Oh, bad, bro.
First,
Bully.
yeah man, one coloring book man. You have to show the first now. So you know, you are going now.
Yeah.
I'm gonna say something to you and this is just you, no other body, no other person on this side, right?
Right.
Just come from the doctor.
Yeah.
So you have to take over the site now and go and run off the site. You see me? The one at West End and also the one at Tankhill, you're right and I can make him deal with that, but you know what you do for me now. Me kind of black out on the side, that's why I move so fast. And the doctor just tell me so I have to take a week or 2 weeks. You see me? Because I'm not getting a rest or nothing.
But even then I get your phone.
Yeah, but as I said, just keep that right, just here, just lock it right, just and dash your key.
Man, till active.
The most important thing I know, me there I run through the book, my name Piono last week because certain things, the check them never come through.
Yeah.
More you text me at this moment right now, when me can, all of the work of them, when me can just make them, me have to send the money in your account and you can pay them, because I trust you like that, right?
Yes, man. I send you an invoice.
Right now, here.
Alright.
Alright, respect my friend, in maybe 1 week, 2 weeks, here.
Alright, my general. Big up.
Alright, every time, father, respect. Yeah. Yeah, hello. Yeah, man, Mr. Oil here. Yeah, Auntie Marga. Yeah, man. Color and book. Alright, you want to do for me? All the bills, yeah, the food bills and the drink bill. Yeah, man, more you just check up everything and just send me them. You see me? One more thing, just send me an account number, I can send out the food bill when we go for here. Yeah, man. Alright, thanks. Alright, big up yourself. Yeah, you know what's me till 2 weeks time. Hello? Yeah. Alright, me call and give you information. Hello, lady? Come like you're rich, you know, baby. Why you lost much money?
You know, I said not put your money in any job.
Matter of fact, you don't have a purse, you can put your money in.
No. No purse.
I don't look on the course, just know, say you're home here. You put yourself here.
Later.
Hello? What's your name?
My name?
Yeah, your name.
Why you want to know that?
Alright, never mind. Money. Can't live with them. Can't live without them.
Copy down. Copy down.
Oh, go on.
Me there, you know. Where I deal with? How are you there?
I was out there again, but you there for I can't see you.
I lie, and me not tell you no lie, no my youth. You me just need to go call, you know. Come and check me, man.
Lie.
Yeah, me just when go call you. Jano, just come run and run us so right back.
I'm down there.
No man, me there run and back veranda run and so come run and so.
Alright, now walk.
Yeah man, me can talk when I come.
Kian there.
Wanna go on?
What going on now?
Me there.
You said you don't come. How you like something?
No, me not like you man. You remember the girl who me tell you about?
Yeah. How much?
No man, listen. That the girl there, she at 25, but you know say she fly out though.
Yeah.
Yeah, she fly out, she not there, but you can't line me up on my daughter, me I'm ready to talk to her.
Your daughter, how good with that?
Listen, she a play hard then, but no worry yourself, me will deal with it.
Your daughter, man?
Yes, my daughter is 21.
Oh, good age at them, man. Oh, before me out to that. This have to work with pound over here. Then you close the morning, so I want 10 pack.
Alright. What?
You know what I said, I send me idea, but you work good. So that's what I'm going to tell you. But your daughter now, what you see her going with it? What are you looking? You can nice or something? Your daughter nice or something?
My daughter a pretty girl.
I believe you.
Look how long me I work with you, you don't know my daughter?
I brought him. I tell I know how long you feel say little sister or something.
No, I'm a daughter. She done high school and everything. Now she go a evening class.
Yeah.
And me want she go a college.
Yeah.
Yes. But a good girl, you know. Very ambitious.
I know, so me always see him Tony come over sometime, he just keep me head quiet and something.
And
I love
is-
that man.
So
So you put in a word for me.
Yeah, me I put in her man. Me already talk to her feel.
Ah.
She a play hard.
Play hard.
But no worry about it man. And me her mother, you know.
Yeah.
And I me run things in and so I know what she say, what me say, me I pay bills then. You understand me?
Know that man.
But me not tell no lie, me love my daughter. She a one nice girl.
Your daughter
And
nice for sure.
She ambitious. And me say she want good out of life.
Yeah.
Yes. So me I try my best.
What best?
Hard to work and send her. Go evening class so she can go to college.
Can they then know one woman nice like that me I look for how long man. If me and him good, if me and him get through him. Me I can take care and see him subject them. They look us, they have no problem that man.
You will take care of
Me take care of everything.
I lie.
Everything. What you say? I talk to him.
Me already talk to her
Hello.
feel.
Talk to him faster. Next 10 pack. Can you know
So
me,
this
man?
are towards my daughter.
These are towards you talking to your daughter. So anything you want to do with
But
that,
my daughter, me go help pay for her something them and
I'll be right man, but me I'm very very busy man, so me have to go leave you now.
Yeah.
So you want to big up yourself and hey, you work fast and more that did it.
Really, hold on there. You know me always hear you talk about a woman and name out your money.
Yeah.
But you see my daughter,
Mm.
a good woman that. Good woman, me they tell you, ambitious girl as me tell you before.
Yeah.
And my daughter you have to deal with. You go see me, I deal with the film man, don't worry
I
yourself.
believe you, yeah, man. I'm gonna love for you.
One thing though,
Yeah.
you're my boss, you know. So you're right, somebody if you get my daughter, you know.
You feel
You
something?
ever have money, me not tell no lie. Enough time you help me, you know, let me not come here.
Oh, no mention that man. You're family to me, you know. Even worry about that. Just me a boss, as I say. So you see, if you want to continue have a work, just do the right thing for me, man. Can you? I want you.
Hold on there, bossy, hold on.
Yeah.
I buy me out to get my daughter.
Oh.
Never send me to work with you a long time before me
Oh,
have this
gosh,
daughter
man.
conversation.
Never. I just some options in here, man. We can never do that. Nothing like that, man. But we're right.
Alright,
thing, huh?
cause me not sell out my daughter and the boss say me give her number anyway.
I'm playing this in the new year, yes, man.
Yeah.
Somebody call him off when I come from me.
Yeah, she named Stacy.
Stacy.
Alright.
Alright.
Yes. There's so much liberty when me I go through right now for my daughter get you in a real life. liberty taking no good enough. Liberty come through carelessness. But Father God, you don't know, say. And because I want my daughter read somewhere in a real life, and I don't want she can suffer and go through some stuff when me go through already. I want she live a better life than me. But you know, say I go make she make it in a real life, you know, God. Do you know, man?
Puppy Dan. Oh God, my friend, man, I pray. One and only coloring book, man. My friend, my charge, my general. I pray, daddy. Now you place me there, you know. Brother, link up at the spot, no, man. The first house in my name, my first house in my bill. With my one and link up at the spot, my friend, man. Yeah, man, because right now, I come and look on the house right now, I want to kill 2 minutes there, tenant them deal with it, wicked. A matter of fact, brother, I grab some stuff for you, because I go shop. A matter of fact, I go shop yesterday and get some stuff for you. So link my bro with chat, bro. I want to tell you, man, I'm a real friend, you know, man.
Alright.
Yeah, link up my friend, right now. Matter of fact, I get them stuff down, come.
Coloring book.
How that puppy Dan?
What you mean, dog over there? I love me a puppy and
Jaja youth. Oh God, my friend, man.
dog David the same.
One puppy Dan.
I never two.
No, 2 when I play 2, I pray.
There, man.
Oh God, my friend, man. How when me chop in? How are you chop in, you know?
I like you tell.
Down around maybe a week, you know, bro.
Come here, say you give me a shout a long time in your friend.
You are going to know, I kind of shift the number. Because you know, so I can't put the number up there so with the people them there. So I shift it, because down I saw some business I deal with it. You see me some contract and something. I plan to give you a link, man, but you want to settle long first. But you really and truly know all the tenants them now rent out the place and something, bro. They never clear place.
I mean, I tell you, so I pass around a couple times and I see it and I tell you, so it's a disgrace.
Yeah, come
I look all over, so they're not
yeah, bro, you're not clear place.
I don't tell me that one that say, oh, if everything is good there, I can't hear from you.
No, man, I know so.
How you going to this?
You know, so some rubbish me a dash, man.
You know, say I say a dash go it up.
No.
It's like you dash the rubbish, I say a dash the
Can't do that
virgin.
puppy
I
that
say
now,
you do me to you, believe me.
Remember, so when I go to school, you help me with my work, you know, my friend. When I could have gone to college and something, you know.
Yeah,
You see me?
I know that.
I'm going to deal with my dream, you know, building construction, you know, so that, you know, I can't dash my friend, bro.
Man,
I want to keep
I'm like,
you have one and one, I'm surprised me, I'm surprised I'm in general. You see me? I just order some stuff for you.
God no father.
I want to keep my G, man. I must say, you with me there with me there right now,
I mean, man, respect, man.
When I deal with football and I put down, and I read and I do my work, you know, I use education, you know, bro.
I'll show you.
I want to keep my teacher, man.
Judge my father.
You know, we know, I realize my friend, man. You see me? Yeah, really, you know, we can't forget where you come from, you know, friend. I talk about switch. Switch? How switch spell? Can't spell switch. Teacher have a problem with me because I couldn't spell switch.
I know, if you tell you the truth, other day I look for myself and I say, I want to get some more clothes to you.
So I got real.
I tell you, say, make me short for the clothes, but I'm not active for the cash.
Don't worry about that,
look here, no one.
Jaja, you would. So I bring
The antenna them.
Oh God, my friend, man. I really would, my friend.
My father.
Yeah, man, all them bag I pick up on them thing, my friend, man. Chain and everything.
Yeah, man, them bag a bad man.
Yeah, man.
I'm not even a rush it still, but...
You like it?
Let me get one more. Make me get something.
Watch out, my friend. You see, friend, a real friend.
I don't say that even see it though.
Watch out, G.
I should be there, man. What you mean, man?
One more surprise, because you're real good, my friend.
Yeah, more over there. You want to give me that one too?
No, man, I didn't hear what my friend. I want to give me teacher, man. You see me? I you this me killer, man.
Respect, my father.
Don't forget where I come from, man. Every time, man.
Respect.
So watch out now, big man level. Me now go grow here now. It's like as me say me come do some work on the side.
Yeah.
But you know, a matter of fact, before me even reach us up. When the last man I introduced to you, you know, say she left me, dog. Cause to be honest, all the work them, Ochi, Mobile, Kingston, we never spend no time with her. I'm come catch her with a man. But yo, not shocked. By any idea, no fear for.
No, watch on bro, but as I always a reason then, I always tell you, say, you see the side business here. Yeah, you love you and that you go to school for and I you study for, but you put your all in it too much, bro. And not even 100, more that's you put in there, 200.
You
and you not spend no time with your family them, bro.
That's true, bro. I learn off of my mistake, bro.
We love
to
work,
be honest,
but
me
you
never
can't
blame
work
her.
too much.
Me never blame her. The only thing I blame her about, like, she could just go and look how place go rent. And I'm a place. So as a woman say, I just left the place, girl. But me forget about that, brother. Cause we say sometimes when you not spend time with the woman with the round and round, brother, you have to remember that she have feelings too.
True.
So me forgive her. But right now, bro, me just there, the doctor, as me say, me drop down on the site, what you hear? You get what me say? That I know
you must have cussed you youth and all them the things, bro. I mean, I know about them the things, youth.
That's why I couldn't link you. Because I just recover. The doctor saying give me a 2-week break. So watch out when I'm right hand now when you're in first class, I him run off his side. So right now, I just take a 2-week break when I can link up my friend.
That's why we plot up all this, plot up in here.
I don't think you know him. Maybe you youth when me bring come down here, man. Trade man.
Yeah, man, the one day me always I tell about.
Right. You see me? I think we make you meet him around 2 times. I run off his side, you know. Right now, I just want to take some time, link up my friend them, maybe meet all a female too.
You mean, man, that I right way, but you don't have to too rush it said way, but you need somebody by your side.
Matter of fact, you know, say today, we meet a nice girl.
I like.
Yeah, she drop her money, and me take it up and give her. Matter of fact, she knew say thanks, because me all ask her name, and like she asked me, what you want to know my name for? So I said, never mind, and kiss her teeth or walk her. But everybody go through their stress right now. Woman can't live with them,
bro.
Can't live without them.
Tell you the truth. You see you. Is that as far as a bridge, you know me, see, is a good youth. And I know say you treat a woman them good. But I don't feel work where you focus on too much. And that make more while the relationship they don't work out. So you need to focus more on your relationship. All of you want money, yes, you know, but you spend too much time in the work. And sometimes all night you work, you know. A woman there, you by yourself, you know.
You see a place here, you don't call somebody already. You clean up, you wash it down and everything. I want a local place. What me say? Local place. So maybe I'll rat and cockroach around upon them.
Watch you know, another premium to show you too. You see the same girl the way you see. I don't know if I see you're into or somebody else.
Clear complexion,
yeah.
Nice. Quiet.
Yeah, more you do.
College.
When you chick the girl them.
Any girl I'm like.
Yeah, man.
Why? Why me for chick girl?
I watch you look. Nowadays woman, they don't love no man. They don't stick where you have and move. So yeah, more you do now. When you go on like saying no money. If you clothes them where you go to work, them the clothes they free. When they feel like it's just a regular boy. No, but they know say it's a contractor. When they feel like it's just a we call the word there. Where other man them work on site them again. The little boy
laborer.
Yes, when they feel like a laborer. Don't make them know say it's a contractor. And see how far that can bring you. Play like you're poor, don't play like you're rich.
Only for respect for that. Yeah. So yo, watch you now. You have a drink, you know.
What you mean? Anytime I'm ready, my father.
Matter of fact. Yeah, I'm charge you know, bro.
Anytime I'm ready, father.
You more you do for me now. You more you do for me. More look quiet place, not much. We just go on for 1 week, 2 weeks, you know. Cause they say I feel like I want to meet somebody, but I don't want to know say I stay so. You see me? So I just want to look a quiet place, I look one room, it no matter. It's just yeah, you see me? I don't want to know say I stay so like me have money, me have contract.
Alright, you work for it?
Yeah. Just cool man.
Cool man.
One puppy down, you know.
One color and
cool
man. Them time there.
Alright, my daddy.
I'm stressing. It hurt me bad.
Class, they boring to me now.
You're boring, but we have to learn. I have to learn hard. You try my doing it.
What the matter man did I understand it?
Girl, I don't know nothing about algebra. I don't think I can pronounce the word properly. Just to show you.
Me I tell all something when you put the X and then it and then it.
Me don't know that mean, you know. When me go home, I Google me, I go back. I Google me, I go back because.
Probably I try my brain that day, you know.
Me tell you, me want to work hard, you know why? I want to work hard and then tomorrow me have to training. So probably have to go left me if I don't do evening class.
Yeah, go training?
Yes, cause me mind me want to go GC faster, college, you know, college. The part of my mind,
College
the big picture.
Mind.
No, some people not pretend something
Well,
nowadays,
that's
but
true.
I saw the big picture. Let me see myself. You know, see it?
You see it?
Future you talk about. College, education is the key.
To success.
Yes, we are gonna learn good.
Come on, turn around.
Come, kind of like you want book. I don't want him box. I don't want him that.
Thank you, sir.
So,
Anyway, I want to talk to you about something.
can't talk about
This morning, my mother called me here in the girl. And she talked to me and she said she struggled with me through high school and so forth. And me I say, and so to her say, me know that she struggled with me and something. She go say to me, say, me have to go work. Like, me have to go try work for send myself to
Oh, me can go look on supermarket work together.
supermarket.
Yeah, me
If I
can.
did that, my mother tell me would have bad. I know somebody.
Why your mother could tell you?
But my mother go tell me say to go pick up a man.
I like you too. Your mother can't look pan you and tell you that. No mother not supposed to do
Mother
that.
say it best if me go find a man mother get him money faster than he work. Cause I work now go pay me nothing.
So me, do not follow your mother. Although your mother fear wash up her dirty clothes and your mother probably get told for disrespect and then sitting there in her life and she a work hard. She said I go to school, but she out of order. She could never in her right mind think to figure sell your body after she a work so hard. Your mother supposed to motivate you for go to school and learn.
I too that I right think that's why I love you, you know. You're the best friend me ever have.
Don't listen to your mother, don't listen to your mother. You don't listen to your mother. Just focus on school and education.
Yeah, you see, this man, how like everything that my mother said to me, I get to my brain, like my brain crap up. This man, you know, a young man, you know, like me, I walk on the road and me, I put in the money when my mother give me in my audience and the money drop. And the young man take up the money, you know, and give me, you know, and the man asked me for my name. You know what I mean? Me kiss me think I walk up on the man.
That's not right, that's not
Me
right.
never mean to do it, you know, but my brain never did that so. None at all.
Me tell you we're going to go do though. When you see the man, you're going to have to apologize. You know what I'm saying? Apologize. You can't, when you go through your struggles in your yard and see somebody, no matter what, just say good morning. Sometimes morning time, I don't want to say man to some people, you know. But it's called manners and respect. So you must say man. So next thing you see him, you apologize. Come on, I don't listen to your mother, man. Your mother, don't listen to her.
Mommy?
Oh man, how class? How class today?
Class this stressful. I tell her right. Mr. They give me so much today. Come like them one boss me look brain.
Oh God, oh, you soon get over it.
Mother, you pay for internet?
I don't pay for it, you know, but me get one money when I can't pay out it. I can't pay you out
some
it.
stuff to look up and for schoolwork and so. So how was your day, Mom?
My day did good because my boss come check me.
Oh, your boss, okay, that's nice.
My boss come check me and he pay me for the work I did do. Plus he give me a lot extra money towards your education. You can use it.
You get extra money for what?
Towards the education, remember say I go even class,
Yeah.
class I go
Tell him
work
thanks when
college.
I see him again.
But you know some boss like you.
Wonderful.
A big man and you know if you take care of woman.
Wonderful.
Where you talk? Where you talk so? Where you talk so? I'm me and your mother. You're my daughter. You're a big girl, you know? You're 18. 2 months time from this. You're what?
Mommy, what that have to
19.
do? What that have to do with what you
Why you
say?
be talk to my boss nice? Because he
Me
like
not
you. He
interested.
want you to be a woman.
Me not interested. No.
Stacey, you don't understand. You know see what your mother got through?
Mommy, me see what you got through. Me tell her this morning, say, me I go look at work. So when me find the work, me make her know everything what I want, but me not want your boss.
Listen me now. I don't force me, I force you, you know. I mean, I ask you if you do it. If you do it or you not do it, you know. I do it, I do you go do it. Anything when me tell you, you have to go do it.
You as
you
the
only just
mother
say-
tell me that,
I
tell
don't
me
force
I
me,
feel do it.
no, I don't force me, I force you. I mean, I ask you, I repeat myself. I do you go do when me tell you to do, you go do it. Listen to me now. You go talk to my boss.
Mommy,
And you go talk to him with love and respect. And you go end up there with him. You know why? No, let me tell you something first before me tell you why.
no, mommy, let me
Me your mother,
no, let me tell
I
you
mean, know
something.
say it might sound one way. I mean, know me feel guilty like I something wrong me I do. Yes, it's wrong. But at the end of the day, God not send me. You know why? Me need the help. Me need the help to support you.
So you want to help?
I know
So me
what
go
me I
with
do.
somebody when me not love, when me not interested in.
No, but love not go so baby love. No. My baby lovey girl. Love don't goes like that. Love take time and grow.
Mommy,
And a big man for you, yes, he might look like he older than you, but guess what? Me know say you're my daughter and me know your age, but me tell him say you're 20.
you tell me something how much?
Not, me no don't talk, me go say 20, me no put on the next part pan here.
Hey,
How what?
Father God.
Me not even tell her 20 why, me say
Love
20
me mother,
yes.
you know, but it come like she turn crosses for me. Mommy, what kind of style that? 20, how much I tell him, man?
21, one more that.
Mommy, me are 18, you know, you have to tell him, man, so me are 21. What kind, mommy, that not right, mom.
Who you call crosses? Eh? You cannot disrespect your mother. I look for me and call me crosses. After me I try to help you and for your life get better than the life when me used to live before. What you mean? Who you call crosses? You know what you just said to me? I piss me off, you know, for me to try to get somebody to help you. Because me alone cannot do it. And you act like you don't understand that.
You just box me?
I keep me kick you. Come back here, sir, to me. Stacy, come back here, sir. Stacy! Hold on then, no man. Stacy, me say if you come back right here, sir, to me. Right here, so come. Sit down here, so let me talk to you. You're outside and brighty. Who you? Come sit down here, so me talk to you. Think you pay bills in this? You're not responsible for yourself yet. You could have 1 million year old. Remember, stay not working under my roof you there. And I want me say goes. You understand me and say me I talk to you, come call me crosses. I want to you. If me a crosses and the crosses, mother use the crosses that look here. The blood of Jesus against that way you just say. Me no crosses. When you listen to me, my daughter, listen what me I say. You get me ignorant. I mean I friend you up, you go take in what me I say in your head. Me sorry about the back so me just back so, but me have a reason for do it. You get me ignorant. Don't fall in when time me I talk to you. You're outside that. My boss need to talk to you. And you can go on like you don't understand what me I say.
Mommy, I understand what you say, but you force me to do something when me don't want to do. Me don't want your boss.
So you look like you love poverty life. You love sufferation life.
I no love.
You don't see we are going in a jam down here. We need money to make we live a better life. And the man have money. And then if he have money alone, he have likes
so
for you.
you want to talk to him man because he have money?
And because he like you and he can help you and support you.
Say man like me.
Me know that and he can make you have a better life. He say we help you towards your college. What's your problem? Anyway, he give me more money, he give me 20 grand. How much
20 grand not even half the money we have to pay for me college.
I'm a daughter, but you know say it's an ungrateful girl, right?
I'm not ungrateful.
You think so the man could have just take up his money, give me that just like so the
Yeah,
look here, part tighter when me work. And because he like you, make him give me the rest, he say towards your college. You don't come chat about 20,000 and no money that. You have any? You help your bills in here?
No.
Okay, take this. Come don't take out mine already. Hold that. I almost see whole like me give you. Should have grateful and thank God. And when you see me better, I'm matter of fact me give him your number.
What you give me number for?
What you mean? You don't know what man take one number for do with it. Just look out for the call and me no want hear nothing. Go in the kitchen go watch up and play them. Me no want hear nothing for you too out of that. And that pop it down cause you buy your bashko. You're bright no what. And me alone you want to pay all my bills them and buy food give you. And you go on like I say now man. Me know you're not virgin. Cause you have man on the road and me like you right it man. That you no do. Love take up crosses man. You can't help you and then you come diss me and come call me crosses. If I help me I try help you. Look at girl. No bother me. So if me tell him say you're 21. I should have tell him say you're 30. Make sure so when he call you answer good and talk to him good. Cause any you see me again remember say I'm a boss. And everything depends on my job. Me need me work. So you better talk to him too. And me dey go down the road. You're out hard and know what.
Father God, whatever you go through in life, it make who you are. Father God, this is not me. This is not my mother neither, Father. I mean, forgive me, mother. Please, God. Yeah, hear me cry. Oh, God. Mommy, may I go to school later?
Later, why you feel so much like perfume one time? And they use so much a different perfume every minute, so much different one. You see what I tell you? It take money to have things. And you need things. If you smell nice and look nice, you want money to buy things to make you look nice and smell nice.
Yeah, mommy, me know that.
So you see what me and you did that talk about? Eh? You see when you come back, you need to give me an answer, so think about it. Go on, go
Mommy, you
on.
still dependent?
Me now come and fight until you do what me say. Go on and make sure you say, you hold your head straight and look and no other man on the road. Just think about the one that me
Later,
tell you.
mommy.
Oh, hello. Say now, hug me before you go to school. Come over here so come hug me up and stop going like me and Malice. What kind of hugging up that? Hug me up properly like me and mother and hug me up like you love me because you know I say me love you already. Alright, love you.
Later.
You don't love me?
Love you, mommy. Bye.
Okay. Love you too.
Hello? Oh, yes. Hi, how is this? Oh, hi, what? Okay.
Yeah, so how you doing? Alright.
Me good.
It's all like a busy man. How about?
Me I go to school, so me can't talk to you when me come back or something because me can't talk right now. Me late.
Alright, that's
Alright.
Yeah, hello. Yeah, man. Auntie Marga, yeah, man. Mr. Owl. Yeah, you can check your account here. Yeah, we send out the money. Yeah, the money for the food bill, drink bill. Yeah, man. So we link up in a 2 week time. Alright, big up yourself. Alright, ciao. Good morning.
Good morning.
Calm down now.
Yeah.
Can't see you calm down because your smile is there.
Yeah.
You see about that sad face.
What me want to say to you? I'm sorry about yesterday.
How have you see that again?
You asked me for my name and me kiss my teeth and something.
Oh, that's cool, man. You forgive you already, man. Everybody have a body, everybody have stress. But the biggest thing, the most important thing, you come forward and say you're sorry. You see me? So that's good with me. Matter of fact, one more thing. What's your name?
Stacy.
Oh, Stacy.
Yes, Stacy.
Yeah, man. Coloring book. Matter of fact, you can call me Omar here.
Alright.
A question. I really want to add up in your business still. So we're at your right now.
Oh, me I got evening class.
Evening class?
Yes.
Well, further education?
Yeah, me I further my education.
College?
So, when I leave from this, so I can go to college.
Very nice, man. I really say most of them young girls right now follow up college education. I don't think that very nice. Where you live?
Oh, I just live right over
Next
there.
door. Well, you see a house here? Do some work now over there. Yeah, you want to the place. Never live here. So we rent out. So we just clean out, wash it down and something like that. You see me?
Okay.
Yeah, man. So you good though?
Yeah, I'm good. May I hurry? Because I go to school, so me see you next time, right? Coloring book, right?
Sure.
Yes.
Big up yourself. Nice to meet you. Yeah?
Yeah, nice to meet you.
Have a blessed day.
Yeah, you too.
Yeah, man.
Bye.
Bye. What a God. Can a man be real? Pop it on.
When I deal with bad charge.
Oh God, my father, man. You know, some take your advice. God is good, you know. God is very good.
I know say all later take your advice them man. Alright?
You know, so the lady come back and apologize.
Alright?
Yeah, man, she come back and apologize, man. I know, so she look like a nice lady.
I'm not tell her what to do already, man.
College, everything in a one.
I'm glad you take my advice and I do the right thing, and you see me. So.
A matter of fact, the second time I meet her, I like my spirit take her already.
You get the number?
No, don't rush it. Don't rush it. Remember, all of my success or my riches never come overnight, you know. Don't rush it, you see me?
Well, it's something great.
Matter of fact, link me now.
Alright, me so get
Yeah, man, link me, man. Alright, bro.
Yeah, man.
Sally sitting here if I come to library.
I true me never get to pay internet bill. Somebody that fi end up come alive. I'm sorry about that.
Yeah, right, man. Me your friend anyway. You go me follow you. So I go now. Okay, look so. Peony.
Girl, when we go home yesterday now, my mother bring up back the same argument again, you know. You know no say, my mother, a man give my mother $20,000 to go towards my school stuff. And a man, my mother give man my number.
20,000.
20 and that not even half the money.
You have to be grateful so the man get 20,000.
I'm grateful, but my mother said the man like me. And our boss, and the boss like me, boss want me and something. But me don't like the man.
Listen to me, girl. It's like you're not function right. Take the man so like I want money, man. You have money. You don't want the dollars?
I want the dollars, but I know some want the dollars, my friend.
Girl, I should mean in a position there that see how me take my money. You don't want to go to college.
Kayla, listen to me. You know some mother box me in my face yesterday?
She have a right to box you. Can't see what she has see, me I see what she has see now.
Nobody not understand me.
Maybe
Why?
I don't understand you.
Because me not understand every time I go look one.
What do you mean by nobody not understand you?
Because you not
Listen to me.
understand me, you don't want to give me man when me no want, and because the man have money, you know want me to just bam, fling down myself on the man.
I never tell you that. Listen to me. See what you do? You know, what mother want you to do is not right, but your mother just approach it the wrong way. Your mother come to you about it the wrong way. You want to go to college, right?
Yeah.
Do you have a job now?
No.
Okay. The man rich. Yeah, money.
Yeah, money so
So they with the man for the money so you can't go to college. You don't want to go to college. You don't want to go to college.
Yeah, I want to go to college.
So do it then. Cut up yourself and do it. Do that.
Anyway, me not Kayla, me not joke. Like this is serious. This is a serious business we are talking. So I don't know joking thing we are talking.
And that's why your mother box you. She try boxing sense in the head, but she in her head she slap you. That's what I do. But anyway, listen to me. Me sorry for your shout out for you. Me don't really understand where I go through sales, you know, but listen to me. Alright, me tell you the best idea you can do them. To make your mother kinda happy. You understand? Just give him a chance. Just no, me never say go down home with him, no, just talk to him, just say hi, hello, well, you know, get to know him. And if you no work out, your mother can't say you never try, you understand?
Alright, listen to me. Remember girl,
wait, me tell you what I must do. You see, every rich man or every rich woman where you know in a life, they never born with gospel in their mouth, you know. Some of them have dirt underneath their closet. They do certain things to reach by the level where them there. Yeah. You understand? So not wrong if you talk to somebody for reach for go to college. You understand?
Yeah, me understand.
Yes, because they have some of them have that for everything.
Alright. You remember girl, me tell us take up my money yesterday when they took out of my yes. Him.
What do you?
Me see him today and I apologize to you. But he look like him a constructor. Like he work on site.
Oh, he was a trade man.
Yeah. But me talk to him and me see say him a nice person. And my spirit take him.
Your spirit take him?
Yeah, my spirit take him.
So are them the man they want? Site man work on site. But they're so far. Yeah?
Oh, you know, I'm tell you. You talk about it, you can't judge a person, but you can't judge a book by cover. You don't know where a man do on the site. You don't know where he be.
You know where he be?
No, I don't know where he be because I don't know the man like that, but he look like a nice person.
I did think they focus on education. But no, me really, since your mother put them the argument the to you gone on a different part. We are talk about site, man. I beg you to put back your foot on the side there. Put back your foot over here, so you hear me I say? About site, man. Take site, man, off your mind. And focus on the education. Look on the big picture. The big picture. Look on the picture. You see it? And it better you go talk to the rich man than the broke pocket site man there, you know.
You know, say me and your friend, but sometimes I feel like you don't understand life. You see, in life, and you see people who are rich, and all of them happy and comfortable.
That's true.
And everything is not all about money. Sometimes it's all about love. And when I love somebody, anything can happen, anything is possible.
Question.
Wow.
You're gonna love the poor man. You got college?
You know if a man poor?
In the work society, you have to poor. Anyways.
No, if a poor.
Come on.
One and two, he can't suppose him and save.
Save. Okay, Matthew, I want you to know. You want to go home, you look like rain and fall. The rich man could have picked up in one. Be man.
You know, say, when you call me, I tell you my name, remember about the place, I say, I figure you check pan. So I tell you the same time, I want my bridging, I take up my phone and call. And I call the bridging, because that day, I go over in your house, you see me? And
Yeah.
dog tell me send a rent to one room or something.
As I say, I just want something light. Like a board house. You know, I just want something light.
At that, I get the board house, because I same thing when I talk about, I know why you get nothing. When people are pre.
I pray me dog.
You see me, so the dog tell me say you have one room board house, you have bathroom, panny, you understand, and you have kitchen, and you have veranda. So, you tell me say, he might go a Moby and come back a Jota tour in do, you know.
When I got girl take a beer and come back.
Yeah,
girl take a beer.
You see me, so when you forward back look more, you give me a shout. So if anything, I 5 in at night, me, you go look on the place.
So you are going on now, as I talk about that, this, when the female man we not tell about, man.
You get it?
No, man, I don't rush me, I rush him, man.
I get it.
My master don't like me, I rush him. As I say, my spirit cannot take her, dog, like, me feel like me I like her. No matter of fact, me feel like me a fall fear, but me no mean drop a grung, you know. Me mean like my spirit, my energy, my soul, my body, you know?
So I can just get her number and book a big two and drop in her life.
You're smart, hey. Me have to give you credit tonight. You in a lead when you go to school with the girl, let me know. I flow you use and hold them and win them.
No, me I tell you, I flow me use, because you have to give me credit for me. Flow.
Well, I think me use that 2 foot, because you know me skill when me go to school. But the girl when me have, I used to call the girl my name, seize the girl.
Right.
Yeah, seize the girl. Yeah, but you watch her now, as me say, kind of like a girl still. And you know, like she got college. She say my thing about college and my got class.
So she how much?
To me, as me say, to me she look like around 18, 19. You see me, because she tell me say she graduated and I think about college and she got evening class and everything there. You see me, bro?
Well, if you tell her the truth, as I may have reason about other day, them a young girl and I pre them the sitting there. So if you find 1 out of 10, we are do that, you know.
I tell her, you know.
Pick her up and hold her, you know.
I tell her it's my place, you know.
Me glad they never do that, because me don't reason
I tell her
about
it's work me over there, so I wash on the place.
yeah,
Come
man,
work on
me
site.
have them little dirty
Yeah,
side,
bro. I like when me tell him that, like, in face.
You know, change.
You know,
nothing.
change. I see him channel.
Me I tell her say, yo, you have to find 1 out of the bunch there. You have to hold her. Me I tell her something.
No, me I go see him before the day done or a morning, and then me just do some boom and just room. Me I give him a nice slide tackle. Yeah, you know, cause remember me play defense when me I go to school, you know. So me I slide tackle him and then me go in and miggle. When I go in and miggle now, then I get a number now.
Right.
And then I start play forward with the mind now, you see me? But I not player, you know, bro. Yeah, but...
No, man, more why you do that, man, because more a woman here, you have to take care of you.
Yeah,
because you not even want to talk about it, but like you still say, you know what I talk about.
But you are going, I'm glad I deal with that for me, same way.
Yeah, man, so
you
look more, you know where you go.
Yeah, man, I watch on man, just speak up yourself, same way.
I mean, man, I want to see your father, I'm glad I never got foot in the youth.
So how things, the lady me know where you're not talk to her, you're not left?
Boy.
Come like you kick football, same way, man.
Yeah, kick football.
I row me, man.
No, you know what, so we tell you the truth. Same like how you say your woman left you, and I know you're wrong.
Yeah.
But you know, say I did me wrong and she left me, but she give me back a chance, see me, but she find a man, so I know I'm there on the sideline.
You see, woman a salt, man a water. But only one thing I can tell you, no care what woman do, no care what man do. You see, water and salt, they can't do it without them one another. Okay, when do it without them one another, why pot go do?
To bubble up, man.
It go bubble up, but also it go fresh. Big up yourself here. That was the way boy might deal it up yourself here.
Yeah, put in some work.
No, remember say if you man, you must yourself clean up the place, you know.
Alright.
Someone get your room by later, you know.
Alright, no.
Alright, big up yourself.
And give me a piece of little work over there, man.
You never know, say, but I don't feel good for you know, so my bridge, you know. If you want to be a contract, on the work up so I can give me
Yeah,
feel
man,
good to know
but
so yeah.
So I could have come help you see me and clean up the man.
Alright, tomorrow.
Alright,
Cause
no
idea
problem.
gone bad already, you see me?
Alright.
Alright, link me no come on the look over room you know.
Yeah, man, more you get it too.
Alright, look more here.
The birthday.
Yeah man, alright.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so bossy, as me did I tell you before, let me call you on the phone and I talk to you about the tuition.
Yeah.
The tuition fee for your college sitting. You know say they email me and tell me say at 200,000.
Yeah.
So to me know say that are not nothing for you, you will do it. And me they start out the thing for you, man, it look like it will work. Just try. Try and put in for your thing, you know?
Yeah, man.
Yes. Anyway, she a play stubborn, but now watch that. She will take time and come run, because I not ramp with she. Oh, time too hard. And me get help and she a run from it.
Can't hear anything I say at that, you know. 200,000 are real no money, really and truly, but she have to help herself.
So bossy, how me never see you with this? And so much, you know much watch me sit on your dresser when me a clean up here yesterday.
No, man, I chew a special day, you know. To them if I meet her. Someone put on something different, I never wear it, you know.
Yes.
That, man, but me only can't do so much, you know. You have to help herself, you know. Because me only can't do so much. I'm going to give you money, you know, but me not get nothing. But different from that, steals Miss Candy. No, so what they do some work for me in the last week. No, man, that good, man. Take up me. See you pay her for last week.
Bossy, a 4 grand this, you know.
I know, say 4.
What in alright, man?
No, man, boss, last week you never work all week, you know, Miss Candy.
Boy, you give me, look how much money you give me for last week.
No, man, but last week, boss, me tell us if you do the right thing, alright, you know, you move left when me I say if you do it right. You know what go on, man. Don't worry about that, man. When things pick up, you get it right pick up. But different from all of that still, not even worry about that. How much you say for your daughter tuition? 200?
200.
Right now, me have 300,000 for me. But if you get one bigger piece of money, so if me get it, not even if me get it, when me get it, Miss Candy, I fling that upon your daughter, no problem. But if me not get it immediately, might me give one 50 or 100 in the meantime for go and put some pep in your step, you know. But a sure thing, man. Leave worry about none of that.
I not like them something me up,
Good
bossy.
evening, mommy.
Evelyn, hold on there. You don't see nobody else here, so.
Oh, evening.
Good
Me soon
evening.
contact to you. Hold on, bossy. I'm say I have 2 work me I do for you, know. Me I deal with this for you. And me I work at your yard same way they clean up your place and something. This can't do nothing. Encouragement, strengthen labor, man. You have to go give me something more money.
Oh man, me know that Miss Candy, but say last week me give you extra for no reason, just so you move faster. But no, me have to make you move faster than fast.
Alright.
Worry
Hold
about
on.
you.
Me I come.
Candy, me no, you feel like me a style, you know, but just do the right thing for my man. Me that a nice, you know. I know say you want any money or too.
So you going out there, so? Make sure say you do the right thing. And you me I talk about. So you go out there so now to my boss and talk to him the right way. My daughter, listen. You see in a real life, you have to take what you don't want until you get what you want. You understand? So do the maths. Go on out there so and make sure say you do all of the maths correct. Take off the bag. Hello. And that the same Monday out there so I go pay the 200,000 for your tuition.
Me hear everything.
That make it better.
A long time I come and me
That
hear
is show you say I no lie me they tell him I go take up full responsibility of everything for you.
Remember just hear what you have to say.
Go on. Do the maths and do it correct.
What go on, Mr. Boss? Oh, you me there, man? Give me a minute there. I talk to one I work at them. Give me 1 minute there, please. I can't sit down, man. Yeah, boss, how go on? Yeah, man, it's a pleasure to hear from you. How you doing? Yeah, come back to Jamaica. So you know, I send them money to take care of your house and something. No, man, I no problem. Me just never expect you back so soon. So that means I never come out of your house then. No, man, I no problem. I just surprise me. You know, say when I come back. You tell me say they are foreign for a couple of years. Well, Alright. Just like how you come back, I want to do something great for you. You see money we did send one day, you know, so I use it though for buy up some appliance and stuff for your house. So one more thing, I just want to send one last piece of money, one 300 or so pack. When me paint the house, cut the yard, do all sorts of things, make it place something nice. So when you come back, you say, yes, you did a good job. So that's the last thing what I want. Cause me, actually, you know, me happy if you see a return, bossy. Yeah, man, no worry about it, man. So just send that Monday and me keep on care your house and everything alright when you come back. Everything to your liking, my boss. Alright. What going on now?
There.
Oh, sorry, I'm so sorry about that. You know, so when I'm at work, I then call me and I say, boy, you know, it from when I can't see people not do well. I'm gonna help them out. So it's one money me I go send go give him and make it alright for your family, you know?
Okay.
So how you doing?
Me alright.
You're looking very nice today.
Thanks.
I don't think me I did ever formally meet, you know. So I'm Davy. Stacy, right?
Yes, Stacy.
Alright. So your mom did tell me about your little tuition situation, you know. I said I want to help you out. So I want you getting money, but I like for me I go for one date too. What you doing tonight? You free?
Oh, me not free, you know. Me have one bag of homework to go do. Me can't go make it.
Alright, that good then. So you're free now other night?
Excuse me. Don't worry about the homework. We can help you with the homework.
Mommy, you?
She free, man. You can take her out on a date and so have more privacy to talk and enjoy myself.
Alright.
I help with your homework, man.
So, like how you free up then, maybe I think somebody who could have go up a chill pops. Then maybe go to Ivan's, have a look at dinner on the beach. So you say, alright with that?
Listen to me and listen to me keenly. You realize how we are going and my mother push it down?
Yeah.
Oh, you a big man, me a big woman, and I just do this for the sake of my mother. You understand that?
Yeah.
So, I don't care where we want to go, I don't care what we want to do. Just hope and pray say this work out or me want it to work out. You understand what I say?
How you want it to work out?
Don't worry about that. When we get to that the road that we cross it. You understand?
From you're willing that good man. I'm glad say you're willing to give me a look a chance or something. But your tuition fee, you know, not even worry about that, man. I'll sort you out your right way.
We're not talking about that now.
Alright.
So, what time?
What about 7?
Okay, bye.
Alright, I'll see you.
Yes.
Miss Can there.
Alright, get that.
Mommy, guess what? I'm gonna link Kayla and come back. Yeah? Mommy, listen. No, wait, let me tell you something. Listen. You done said to me say you want me to talk to you guy though.
So what?
I know me agree if you talk to you guy.
So
Just give me space for me go talk to my friend.
No,
I just that me I
a
beg you.
question.
Me no want no argument with me.
When me a talk, don't talk. And that's how me grow you. Me give you time to talk to the man. Yes, you agree if you talk to the man. Why you go on the road? You use a pan, you don't want to talk to him and you want to go chat to the next man.
Me not go
And
talk
the
to
boss
next
if you
man.
talk to no other man.
So me
So
have
me
man.
tell me say Kelly they go to a different man, you know. I just set me and say to you, me no know, me not something I say to you. Me no know where they go. You say Kayla go on and make sure say Kayla that me I try say to you and I chat to no other rest of man.
Why would I want to talk to one other man when time me have one day at 7 o'clock tonight?
Oh, me no know because I'm not jingle enough. Go on and come back and make sure say Kayla you go talk to.
I'm not night with the decision, mom. I soon come. Kayla! Kayla!
Yeah.
Oh,
You good?
oh, boy, yeah, me good.
Video. I sleep, I'm going to sleep now.
Girl, I didn't want to sleep myself, but guess what?
What happened?
Guess no?
You have money?
Much we did that money. Anyway, you can't, you don't know, say me go home, go see my mother and her boss at home. And them a talk about money and whatsoever. And me pass and go in or something. But me talk to him and he want me and him to go up on a date this evening.
Good. See that? Good.
What good in that?
Take up and date to the rich man.
You see, that depends on your mind. Richness, rich money. Everything is not all about money.
Alright.
And that me I try to show you.
Alright. So, you going or you're not going?
Well, me done tell him say me go come already.
Good, if you go on the date. Go on the date.
Oh, you fussy so? And you a go on the date or me?
Yeah, me go for you. Can you come like you want me go for you? Can you come like you know one girl? Are your future that rich man? I'll quite that too. Let me say something to you. I never said this to you before, you know. Because I never know how to come to you and say. I never look at me one other way, you know.
Yeah, me brother. Girl, me and your friend, why me not judge you?
Alright. You know, say, me have one old man. He have money. He kind of choppy line. I say old meaning in 40s, you know. And he choppy line. And me been and near me mouth 3 weeks now. Me never like him at first, and then me grow like a feelings.
Cut.
How you cut? Grass?
What you mean you have somebody where you in your mouth? 3 weeks now. 3 weeks, Kayla. What kind of friend I be? Me not hide nothing from you. Me come to you, me tell you everything what happen me everything what me I go through, me come to you as a friend.
No.
And you are hide secret from me. No, what kind of friend I be? No, this. No.
No, I am a one of a kind friend. Listen to me.
Yeah, you're one of a kind friend, but you're wicked.
Me no wicked.
And you're sneaking. Oh, you feel the hide things from me. Me we pour out me heart to you, me tell you everything. Me no hide nothing from you.
Me just tell him, me just pour out my heart and tell him my secret. And what you can do, mama.
Don't touch me. What's your phone that? Your mother?
For your time now. To be our listen to me. And then they say, can you do? You see a little man, you see like, what is we could sight when you see like. You can't talk to them one time, I do road now. 2 man.
Kayla, sometimes you give me a
You like hear Shensi a song?
Sometimes you give me a mixed friend energy. We talk good and the next minute you talk bad, like you're 50-50 friend. That's what you
No,
are.
it's not necessarily like that, you know. It's just that me I try put you in the right path. Me I show you say me I go to school and me focus on education. But yet still me still name out one man on the side. How you take me go to school? My mother not have no money. My father not no money. My auntie nor my family mother help me.
You know what? Later.
Mama, go
Me tell you how the date go.
Good. Him like talk to him like you just talk to me. Run away.
Hi.
First time I see you look sad. And the second time I see you like you're an angel. Now I see you. I wonder if you're praying to fight the demon. Then why you look so sad? What am to you?
You look like a nice person, like somebody with me can talk.
Nice, but not nice with everybody. Nice to person who nice. So yeah, me can talk. If you feel like talk.
Me no, but I don't feel like me to tell you my business.
Look, listen. You don't feel like to tell me your business, but your mind not tell you say you can't tell me your business. Because the spirit take me. And maybe your spirit won't take me. Just like how maybe my spirit won't take you. So yes, I can tell me. Matter of fact, me have less than 5 minutes. So I'm willing to listen.
Alright, just see. Me just graduated from high school, right?
Yeah.
And me know some mother work hard for send me to high school and so forth. Me start evening class.
Yeah, me see that.
Come on further my education.
And that is nice.
But my mother said she can't help me no more because she has struggled with
Why?
the work. She has struggled with the work because she have
She don't have a permanent work.
No. But she has said to me say, me forget one man fi help me figure college. And me I said to her, I said, no, that now go work out, you better me get one work. Figure
So what you think in yourself?
every time I go work. Because the man thing now go work out.
So the man will get one of your friend.
Our boss. Sure, me talk to our
Our
boss
boss.
because our boss have money. But me not really
So you like
interested.
him, boss?
No, me not like him. Me not interested in him.
Right, me will tell you something. I don't know your mother, but to all your reason with me. I feel like your mother is not a bad person, you know. I feel like your mother just a look out for you for the best way, but sometimes the best way can the wrong way.
Wrong way, yeah.
And maybe she just want you to just talk to your boss so you can get some money to help with your college. But maybe you're not feeling that. And your mother now, because you love your mother now, you don't want to feel him and you don't want him in an argument. So you think about if you fit do it or if you fit not do it. And that around your head?
Yeah, and even right now, me I go on one date with him. Me not even...
With the same man, right?
Yeah.
And you want to go.
Me
But you don't want to
Me
go.
want go, but me
But you
no
don't
want
want
go. Yeah.
You want to go now on my side you know, before me answer you. I just tell you, I'm glad me see you. And just tell yourself, think about you. Kinda like you. Spirit kinda take you. You get what me I say?
Yeah.
And before you go on a date, man, I really like you just give me a number, you see me?
Alright. One reason why me I give me number
Why?
because me like you as well.
Yeah.
And
One reason why
the
me I take your
spirit
number.
take you.
Because me like you and my spirit want to take you.
And my name Shan. You know my name already.
But anyway, big man thing, you want me to say now, upon your dating, you know, I don't really have much to say because I'm not a counselor. I never do well in a guidance contest. But here now, follow your mind. And as me say, your mind, you follow you know, want go. Just try it out, a date. Date no mean you're going to make love to the person, kiss him, when you're going to talk. And maybe, I just a date. So me say you want to please your mother. But sometimes you have to please yourself. But by an idea, I say your mother not really that person. You just look out for you. But just go on a date, man. And please your mother. Can't good and can't bad. Maybe you can get feel like a person.
Alright.
You see me?
I'm
But
just
if the date
tired.
not work out, you know, a car or 4-wheel, why? And you know you have a spare upon it. So one spare there, here, I wait for you.
Alright, so me see
Glad me
you.
make you smile before you go on your date, here.
Yeah.
Big up yourself.
Alright.
Alright,
later.
take care. Tell me about your date, here.
Alright, I will.
Alright.
I'll go by yourself. Hi, good evening. Davy, right? Yeah, yeah, candidata. Me did I think no, me not cancel. It's just that me did that thing say like oh you say I want get to know me. I feel like me want go now. Like me know I look a bar where we can go have a drink and sit down and talk. Like me nobody want go out on a date. Me want go somewhere go sit down and drink. Yeah, but me not really like a crowd thing. Me just want come on hear everything what you say to me, you know. Yeah. So me send a location on WhatsApp and you meet me there in the next 5 minutes. Alright, no problem. Bye. Mommy, I'm come back. I'll get ready now for go on a date.
Alright.
How you look so?
That's something I think, man.
What's it?
So it's right here, so.
You're right here, so.
Alright, going go order now.
Hi, good evening.
Hey, darling, how are you?
I'm fine.
Hello.
How are you today? Hey. Welcome.
Thanks.
Can I get a magnum?
Okay. 2 cups, right?
Yeah, 2 cups.
Can I get one Malta too, please?
No problem. Cold or hot?
Cool.
Okay. There you go. Open?
Yeah, man, that would be great.
Nice. Want a straw with it, right?
No, man, no.
No, with the magnum, not for you, darling.
Yes, that's
The
what
type of straw. I drink Magnum with straw.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
There you
That
go.
new to me, man.
Thank you.
Okay. Sure, me can't find my own. Now, we know we're Jamaican, so we know for flick it, right?
Right.
Yes, darling.
But you're bad, man.
I mean,
Alright,
one tire.
we'll take some more things. So just build a little bill. May I come back, yeah?
No problem, no
Alright, with the
problem.
right from the front. That's alright.
Have a great day, alright?
Alright, thank you so much.
Man, just show me if you need me, alright, baby?
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, so nice, cheers, so.
So what you going to for?
Let me help you.
This is going on now.
You know, something I really do like you.
Uh-huh.
I'm not really interested to get to know you or something. So, where you from?
Where me know me from? You don't know where me from. You know, come on, me have like all the time.
Yeah, but I don't know if you like live with your mother later or what. I don't know, I just want to know some stuff about you.
Well, I live with my mother. I got evening class because me as I know me I go out college.
So, a young beautiful girl like you,
Uh-huh.
what do you do for fun? Like, what are your interests?
I don't really do nothing for fun. I just always study, I do book work and so forth. You understand?
But then say all work and no play makes Jack a good dull boy, you know.
Well, that's true.
So, you know, like, if you have fun, can I make you have all the fun, you know?
How?
Care up and date, exotic lifestyle, all those little stuff.
And you feel say all of that are fun?
I think it's interesting. You ever think about traveling the world?
Yeah.
So you want to come on a local tour with me on a cruise? Might be going to Mexico, Aruba, Panama, go learn Spanish.
Panama. Well, yeah, that sounds nice.
I don't feel like I force you, you know. It's just that I see like, I find it so attractive and I would want if you can live one nice life. I feel like I'm able to help you a type of way. All that. And maybe, just maybe, after we finish the date right, that's how we can go back to my place and, you know.
Go back to your place?
Yeah.
Go do what?
Finish the date.
I feel like I need to back up. Like, yeah, I go too fast with all of this. Like, right now, I'm not that type of girl. You understand? Listen, I come here so, if you get to know me, no if you get to know down your so. You understand? So, when you finish the date, yeah, so, you go your yard and I go my yard.
Alright.
We not move so fast.
I'm sorry if I make you feel that way. That was not my intention. Real never my intention.
Give me a minute. Where is the bathroom?
Alright.
Excuse me, miss. Where's the bathroom? I want to use
Right
the
there,
bathroom.
darling, right there.
Oh, thank
Everything
you.
is inside, so you should be okay, okay?
Alright. But why not open?
Oh, just kind of leave it a bit, you might go. Alright, come here for a little bit.
Oh god.
Bathroom door, yeah, girl, we should.
Yeah.
You have to take your time, baby.
Alright. Yeah.
Alright?
Yeah.
Alright, you need some more ice?
Oh, you know, so alright though, but give me 1 minute.
No problem, no problem.
Hello? Yeah, Maro. Yeah, I'm there, man, for a look at dinner date.
Oh, Jesus.
Oh no, you know, so me never bro, make me soon call her back.
Jesus, I'm so sorry. Work problem is on the house. No problem, darling. Alright?
Alright.
I'm gonna wipe up there for you, alright?
Alright.
Darling, I spill the drink. I was giving you ice and you know it goes in bars. My apology, okay?
That good, man, don't worry about it. God.
What happened?
me just disappointed, but it good still. Once again, me sorry if I make you feel that way. That was not my intention. I really do apologize, there.
Your intent, what you talking about?
When me also like bring her home also.
Oh, that's okay.
Alright.
So, are we finished here?
Sure.
Sorry, as I'm saying again, I'm so sorry about it. Alright, let me just...
No man, that good man. No worry about it. Alright.
There you go. Sorry, it's on the house, okay?
Thank you so much.
Yeah.
Alright, I'll clear it up. Hopefully we can see you again for our next date.
Yeah.
Alright.
I do that. I'm waiting here.
Okay.
Yes.
You know, so we are gonna leave though. How bill go?
3,000, darling.
3,000?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, no problem.
Yeah, man.
Alright, so you're 3.
Yeah, man. Mm-hmm.
I give you a little thing, feel like excellent service, you know?
Man, what goes around comes around.
Alright, go and big up yourself.
Yeah, man.
Hopefully.
Karma is a bitch, don't forget.
Alright.
Yes.
You ready, sweetheart?
Yes.
Hello? Wagwan. Oh. Just a minute. Like you enjoy yourself on your date, man.
No.
Yeah. You don't enjoy yourself?
No.
Why?
First, like when we guy bar, the man not even pull out the chair for me. The man sit down like all the chair.
And every
Red
man
flag.
and every man know about certain things. You can't judge a man like that. Maybe when you give him a next chance or a third chance, then you can't judge him.
No, me find out everything in a one.
So you don't enjoy it none at all? Because the man pull out his chair? Remember say
And
most
then-
of we Jamaican is not a gentleman, you know.
Then the man go invite me a yard after we done. What
Well, that is a
understand?
red flag. That's the only thing we can say red flag. But you know Jamaican, they don't like when the rice done cook. But you open a big man level, I'm glad me say what.
No, I'm just a passer, so
Yeah, come
go
check me.
you.
I want to go check, man. Can give you a hug.
Yeah, you can give me a hug.
Oh, God. You know, I wonder if you don't like the date. Because you come back and tell me say you don't like the date.
Yeah, bathroom.
Yeah.
My people.
Alright, just go around and remember the bathroom, them, I set up as me say. I work.
Alright.
Why you leave your bag with me?
Come trust you.
You trust me? You know, so my granny always tell me, say, don't go in a female bag, one lady bag. Puppy, you want me still in a book. I go break one of my code, one of my rules. She tell me, say, she go through a lot to go to college. That was quick, man.
Oh, yeah. Because me
Oh.
a drink, I eat a drink. you know.
Granny always tell me, say, don't go in a one lady bag, you know. So one question. Like how you date and I want something and we are just a friends. When we go on a friend date or a friendly date.
Soon.
Soon.
Anytime I ready, just let me know.
Anytime I'm ready. Alright. When I'm ready, me call her. And no more you give me a right number.
Yes.
For sure.
Yeah, you want to ring me and see if I like
No man, I believe you, man, you see me?
Alright, so.
Alright, take care here.
I just peep your nose.
You know what, Sean?
No.
Why?
He pipe like water car.
Alright. You come on here.
Alright, later.
Yeah, man, call you.
Alright, bye.
Look nice here. Alright. That I want to start off one nice woman.
Mommy.
Wagwan, you enjoy yourself?
Yeah, me enjoy myself.
Me can't see it, man. So what happened?
We just go there, we have a drink and we talk and laugh and, you know, and he'll pull out the chair and so forth for me.
So everything good there now?
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes, everything good.
Alright.
But that no means say,
What do you mean?
me
What you
like
talk
him.
about?
We still have to go for more days for me find out if me like him. I want a nice person, yes, but
Thank God you find out say he is a nice person. Yes.
so you cook? Hold on, eat me.
Good.
Hold on.
How happened?
Come pee.
Come on, baby. That's so much liquor you drink. It's a bag of feel heavy. Listen, hope you not call no other man more than my boss, you know. I want to picture this. Oh, I want a little baby. Oh, wait. This is like a 200,000. Stacy,
Mommy?
you not done urinate.
Yeah.
Come here.
Just done. Yeah.
Where you get so much money from?
Money? Me not no money where you talk about. Me not have no money. Oh God.
Stacy, where you get so much money from?
Where you talk
I hope you not thief my boss money, you know.
Oh, what kind of
This
false
look there. This look like a 200,000. Not take out the whole of them. Yeah, idiot. Where you get it from? My daughter, you're not on thief. You're not thief my boss money.
No money, but
You not take no money from him. You
Me know
you're not
someone
traveling in wallet.
no, me why you think?
So you're so astonished. Are your purse and you don't know there's so much money in there? Like
Me just left
seriously?
him with my purse one at a time, gone a bathroom, so me not.
You left your purse with my boss.
Yeah, me
Your
put it
man
on
to
the
be, your
table.
husband to be, you left him. Yeah.
Me just left my bag on the table and got
A
bathroom.
sign gotta show you input in there. A input in there, a good man that. You know one better man than that. A input in there. Who else you come take up your purse and just put money in your purse? So they know you? Where they know you from? And I and him go out on date. Show him and show you say anything you want, he have it to give to you. I'm your fist stick to. Carry the money go put it down and you know see say engage towards your tuition. Watch ya. That look like a more than 200,000. Me they say 200,000. You know see if a money where they in there. What? How what? I first man you put down first and man I put money in there, you come back and see it, you're astonished.
Yes, like
You feel shocked and surprised. You must surprise. You must love surprise. Go on in. But put down your mind and make them teeth. Hey. See it there? Me did tell you.
You guys have made it to the end of this movie. Thank you all for watching. Money is not everything. People, remember, like, share, comment, subscribe. Tell a friend about Coloring Book TV. But right so we're there with Bad Goat TV. So here we are going to people before in talk. Before in talk, I want to go over and channel. You understand?
Right.
Boss run off a vlog channel. Subscribe, like, share, comment, do it necessary. So Bad Goat TV, what you say?
Fully know me, I say you watch and you just watch a bad movie. Money is not everything. You understand? I know real life people, money is not everything, you see me? It's all about self-worth, ambition, you see me? Get yourself from ground level 1 to ground level 10, if that's your aspiration, you understand? So as I say, you go over my channel, Bad Goat TV, like, subscribe, share, tell a friend to tell a friend, leave some good comments, you see me? Yeah, man.
People, remember, you know, in general have a bad vlog over there, you know. Remember, you say, a wicked stepmother. Bad vlog over that one. Other vlog over there, so don't check it out. And big up the boss behind the camera. One jawbone.
Remember, you know, behind the scene we show you how the movie them build. Because no found when we watch the movie them, we actually walk on through the hard work and we gonna see how we enjoy ourselves while we build the movie as well. You understand?
Right.
Coloring Book TV for the people
and only for the people.
You get it?
Long time.